the visit was driven by the conflict which has broken out in this region, which has affected, obviously, Iran is the main focus of the conflict, but at the same time, the fallout has been also on the other regional countries, which includes the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. And that was the main purpose, to focus on what can be done to end this conflict. These are basically technical discussions that are take between the military authorities of both countries. I'm not in a position to comment on that. But what I can say here is that the leadership of Pakistan has conveyed its full solidarity to the leadership of the kingdom in terms of our support to them.